Hi there! Microsoft Excel, it is very important tools nowadays. And a lot of employees looking for people who are able to work with it. My name is Dennis and welcome to my Microsoft Excel tricks course. In this course, we will cover all main Microsoft Excel tools. We will learn the most common Excel functions used in the office, maintain large set of Excel data in a list or a table. I will introduce you Microsoft Excel interface, menu bar, sheets, cells, columns, rows. Will be very important information for beginners. Then, we will start to work with the basic Microsoft Excel functions, such as printing, resizing, autofill, flash fill, shortcuts, and templates. After this step, we will start to work with the data. I will explain you how to find and replace in text, what is it constant link in the formulas, how to import and link in text. When we finish this part, we will start to work with the formulas. First of all, I will give you brief information about all types of formulas. Then we will start to learn math formulas, such as sum, autosum, average, average A. After this, we're gonna be working with logical formulas and statements such as true, false, if error, and other. When we finish this part, we start to work with other types of formulas: VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, minimum, maximum, date, day-to-day, and other. But this is not everything. Then we will be working with advanced formulas such as sum if s, count if s, and other. When we finish this block, we'll start to work with formatting, draw, merging, splitting text, bordering, filling, data grouping, text formatting, and other huge amount of information. When we finish this block, we will be working with filtering, sorting. We start working with smart and pivot tables, slicing, creating charts, and for sure I will show you extra functions such as protect information, changing menu bars, notes, and comments. I was working with Microsoft Excel since 2014, and all of those time I was creating different charts, schedule for employees. Also, I was creating CRM and ERP systems for companies, and all of that task I was doing only with Microsoft Excel. And right now, I want to share my experience with you guys. If you will buy my course today, you will have an access to a huge amount of quizzes and exercises. So don't waste your time. Welcome to my course.